FUTURO Deluxe Thumb Stabilizer. Stabilizes and supports sore, weak or injured thumb. Ideal for everyday activities, texting, gaming. 2 reinforced stabilizers help support the thumb. Low profile allows for free movement of remaining fingers. Easy lacing system for one-step application and adjustability. Comfortable thumb sleeve. Breathable material. Fits left or right thumb. Measure around the wrist. Open hook and loop wrist strap and thumb strap. Slide hand into brace and thumb into thumb hole. Wrap wrist strap around wrist and secure at the base of the wrist. Adjust until fit feels firm yet comfortable. Wrap and secure thumb strap around thumb for better fit, or along base of thumb for added stability. FUTURO Deluxe Thumb Stabilizer. Supported by our expert panel of engineers and medical professionals. If discomfort or pain results, persists or increases, discontinue use and consult a physician.